Welcome guys to my YouTube studio. In today's video I will show you that how to recover lost files from your USB device, storage media. It will be SD card or pen drive, anything that if you deleted your files by mistake or anyone deleted your files, now you want to recover them. So try this method. This is very easy, very simple. So first we will clear our terminal. Now I will open this autopsy tool. This is very best tool to recover anything from your storage media. So first, for run this tool, we have to create the virtual image of our storage media. So for that, DCFLDD. Okay, so that tool is not installed in this computer, in this virtual machine. So I have to DCFLDD. So I have to install this tool. Now it is going to install. So here we go. Now we will create our virtual image of our disk. So we will type help. So here input file, output file, okay, and then BS bytes, okay. So clear. Now DCFLDD if equals to dev sd. So for creating virtual image of our disk, we have to know the location of our drive. So here we have seen the device, the location of device and name of the device, sdb1. So now we will run the command if equals to dev sdd or sdb1 and then output file. So it is media and disk.dd. So now next we have to provide the hash that someone has not if the hash matches from the afterward file, then we will sure that no one has disturbed this file, and if the hash does not match, then we will sure that someone has changed the data in this file. So we will use both hashes. Now the byte sector or anything you will say, so 512. Now start. So 4 MB, 5 MB, return 7, 8, 9. So it will depend on your processor that how much time it will take. Now I am pausing my video for that because my SD card is of about 2 GB. So it will take about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So I am pausing my video and continue after some time. So here it is completed. Now we have to do nothing, but we have to just open the tool. So here I have clicked. Now it will take some time to open because I am running this in virtual machine. So my Windows also taking RAM and my Linux also. So here we have to run this with sudo permission, sudo autopsy. So here now we have to go on our web browser. Now we have come in our web browser. Now type the local host address and 9999, then autopsy. So here now I will do the full screen of this screen. So now I will click on new case. Now case name, recover files, investigator Suryansh. Now new case, invalid case value, okay. So recover files we will, okay. So it is successfully. So now host name, these all part I will not do anything, I will skip. Now add image. So here we will add our image which we backup before, which we created before, that is here, this we have created this. Now in media disk, so copy this path, copy, and now paste on our web browser, paste. Now type it is the disk, import method symlink, next. Now okay, so it is volume image, not a disk image. Okay, so now it has DOS. Okay, now for this all ignore. Now it's added, it is added. So now click on analyze, so it will start on analyze. Now file analysis, now it will search all the files in this directory. So here you can see the files which are came in this web. Now I will open my SD card from this folder. You will see nothing on it. See, nothing is there. I can create folder, anything, but nothing is there, and this has recovered some files. So I will see this banner. Oh wow, so it is my thumbnail of my this YouTube channel. Now like see untitled.png, this is thumbnail. Okay, now I will also try to run binary.mp4. Oh, see, this is working. Now I will also run this, output free. Now click on export. See, this is also working. Okay, so you can recover all files from this tool. Very amazing tool this is. So thank you for this video, for watching this video and gaining some knowledge from my video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and support me for my next video. Till bye bye, and I will come with another amazing content in my next video. So till then, bye bye.